Yako Tokurom. Mr. Franaka, ever join in now Yako Tokurom. Obviously, I watch Sports Arena live on Adom TV. Now, Yakan is on Shani Somame. Say, next game we you know, and other games in no. Next week, I are predicting win. Say, you're predicting be check phones. You bet on next week. You check Samsung. Phones until next week.
Next week international break.
Yeah, you're now.
I'm predicting. My
goodness. All right, Mr. Aga. BBF fine.
Yeah, me Adom.
Most only 17 odds be agwachi.
17 odds.
Say unim dey friend quickie.
In temper, so unim say me dey tell.
Solid. I own je.
In temper papa. Na asana you be betting tips of the day na you betting option be a besua.
Okay.
Your betting option of the day. In the be bookings.
Okay.
Over and under bookings. And then aba kama no. Your bookings, your over and under. And they share overs no. It's yamfa say Chelsea ni Liverpool edi hu nkomo no. Wakwa infio kwa kope bibi kakra ba no afa over 2.5 asechire ne say your ball game new year cards e beba no enye 3 or more. Na so obi di red card a 2. Inti yamfa say Chelsea di red card a card ne ba be 2 Liverpool de ba ko come over 2.5 na eden. Afa.
Je kan bookings red card ba mu a account ni mienu.
Account ni mienu.
Okay.
Yes. Inti ene na wo ho na bia outcome ne koye 3-2 a aboba outcome no koye 1-1 bookings are. That means bet na say.
Okay.
Your next option so yeah 1 home team 1 up.
Okay.
Yes. As you say a ball game now. In any moment of the game no say home team need the kind a chef first go game na then abo.
Okay.
I take it one.
And I think we be call 1 up no a chef.
No.
Agbena. Okay. That's fine.
And the last one so you be a 10-minute draw.
Okay.
Are they win a tiring Crawford. You can say 10-minute draw, a range from 1 minute to 11 minutes.
Okay.
And can from 1 minute to 10 minutes. So see a gaming commission, any football betting regulation, or master sano from 1 minute to 11 minutes. Into 10-minute draw, 1 minute to 11 minutes. Into see a ball game 1 minute to 11 minutes. Now score line that I say 0-0. That means our bet
yes, a ball. All right, for me, call wait more now. What did you say?
All right, and there you're going to just send you no. All right, you better check it. You're betting. Tips of the day no kama the edi kufie your first game your Dortmund vs 6 Leipzig you pick over 2.5 bookings cards ebeba no ebeye
Tottenham
3 or more
1 up nesu
yes Tottenham ashe
Arsenal
versus West Ham oh Arsenal be boy Arsenal home team 2 up
okay
Manchester United Ofun versus Sunderland yes and then the Manchester Ofun obe winning to Manchester home team
2 up okay
Inter Milan versus Cremonese and also home team 2 up
hey
Chelsea versus Liverpool bookings over 2.5 when Chelsea be the red card Real Madrid versus Villarreal and also home team 1 up which is Real Madrid Lazio versus Torino and also over 3.5 booking codes booking that's the card in a Collins Nathaniel versus Lorento Cristobal when a boxing.
Okay. Because
I pick it
Collins Nathaniel.
Now Collins Nathaniel Lusukra ya bono. O say better ya bon. Nti be ya win my
17 odds.
17 odds. Erico.
Fantastic. Okay.
Correct score.
Get time so correct score
3-1 against Chelsea. Van Dijk beshe, Mohamed Salah beshe, Isaac beshe.
3-1 for Liverpool. Alfred, thank you. Guys, Camera sound. Director, thank you. And producer, Philip Utriki for the 7. And of course, Pablo Ayman. We did a cage one and Eric, I see everybody. Nyami atom na tumbi dumia. Next week, Samba. Yeah, that's so shame. Bye-bye.